Hello guys, today I am going to discuss the scholarship which is announced by a university in Thailand. So you have to go to jobandcareerhub.blogspot.com where you can see this scholarship and you have to click on read more. You will see all the informations about this scholarship Thailand in this link. So you will see the terms and conditions of scholarship, 2 years for MS program and 3 years for PhD programs. The scholarship will cover the air ticket, full tuition fee, monthly stipend and accommodation. These are the available programs in which you can apply for. Here are the requirements for the application. The required documents include the photographs, CV, academic transcripts, graduation certificates, passport copy, and 2 letters of recommendation and also a medical certificate.